So our latest renovation project was a 2003 or 2 Jayco J-Flight fifth wheel, 27.5 foot bunkhouse. And I lost a lot of my video footage, so it's going to be quick before and after. Here it is. Walking into this fifth wheel, you were greeted with a musty, smoky smell. If you notice, the carpet needed to be replaced as it had stains. Fortunately, most of the work was just cosmetic. There was a few electrical issues that need to be dealt with, but overall it was just paint and updating fixtures. As you can see here, it was missing some furniture. And some hardware. So the work's all done. Now let's see what it looks like all finished. There it is, quick before and after video of our latest project. Hey, if you like this style content, hit that subscribe button. We got more projects in the works. Can't wait to put some awesome sauce on that octane. I've got a slide-in truck camper here, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.